In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your Worldcoin wallet address on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. All you need to do is log into your Kraken account, and then once we are here, we're gonna go to this search bar, or we can also click on transfer and then deposit, and then we're gonna search for WLD, which is Worldcoin. Then we click right here. You will have some simple instructions just in case this is your first time or you are new to crypto. Make sure that you can only deposit this coin from this network. There is a minimum deposit of 5 Worldcoins. The processing time for these transactions will be around 20 minutes. And if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can try sending smaller amounts first. So if you understand everything, just click this button, and here you will get your Worldcoin deposit address. So this way you can copy the address, or you can also use this QR code, and you can just paste this address into any platform or application that has to pay you Worldcoin. You can also send it to any person that has to pay you on this specific coin as well. And yeah, that's basically how you can use and take payments on this popular coin, so you can start having Worldcoin on your Kraken portfolio. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.